Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. I hope you all are doing very well. I am also very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You all know now is the winter season, and who of you like this winter season, you can let me know in the comment box. I actually don't like winter season as much as summer season because there are some reasons behind it, and also there are some benefits of winter season, like in our area. In winter season all the fields remain empty and we can get a lot of place to walk and for outing. However, my dear brothers and sisters, in today's video I will talk about uh, how I started my English speaking journey, and you will also learn some tips and tricks by which you can also start your English speaking journey. So when I started my English speaking journey, I had good basics in English grammar because from my childhood I was quite good in English grammar, and for this reason I had good academic results. Okay, so as I was good in English grammar, I did not need to learn English grammar. But if you are beginner and you had no good basics in English grammar, then you have to learn it. So there are a lot of grammars. What kind of grammar you have to learn? I will tell you that some grammar like verb, auxiliary verb, principal verb, modal verb, and tense. It is very important. Voice and person and case. Those are some basic grammars you have to learn to start your English speaking journey, because without those grammars you will not be able to talk in English, you will not be able to make any sentence. And if you learn those grammars, you will be able to make sentences by your own. Okay, so after learning these 5 grammars, you have to try to make sentences. Actually, in a day you have to learn to make sentence that we actually use in our daily life. Okay, suppose I am here, I am making video, I am watching the natural views, this kind of simple sentence. Okay, at the first time you have to try to make simple sentences. You need not to make complex and compound sentence. So what is complex and compound sentence? I will give you an example and you will be clear from that. Suppose I am here to enjoy the natural view. This is a simple sentence. And I am here so that I can enjoy the natural views. This is a complex sentence. And the compound sentence is, I have come here and now I am enjoying the natural views. It is a compound sentence. So at the first time you need not to make complex or compound sentence. You have to make simple sentence and you have to learn how you can make it. And when you will come out, you will see a lot of things, and you have to try to make sentence with that things. Okay, suppose behind me you can see there is a field which is full of water. Okay, so when you come out, you will get a lot of things to describe in English, and you have to try to describe that by making your own sentence. I am not so perfect to give you the advice, but as I am beginner level English speaker, I can understand what problem you can face when you will start your English speaking journey. So I am giving you these tips so that it helps you a lot. Those tips are not for those who are in advanced level of English speaking journey. Okay, so my dear brothers and sisters, after learning those 5 grammars, you can try it. I hope that you will get a great benefit from that. And I have also got great benefit by trying this. Okay, so my dear brothers and sisters, in today's video I have told you how you can start your English speaking journey and how I started my English speaking journey. So no more today. I will see you in another video in another day. Till then, stay healthy and keep learning. Thank you.